Good morning, third graders, or good afternoon. Today you are going to be opening up your texts to Earth's weather and climate. And you are going to begin by looking at two words. The first word is the word I circled right here, climate. And the second word is a word that I underlined down here, certain. Now, what do you notice is the same about these two words? That's right, they both start with C. Now, what did you notice is different about these two words? The word climate begins with the hard C sound, K. Can you say the hard C sound? K. But the word certain begins with the soft C sound. So even though they both begin with the letter C, they each make a different sound. Your job today is to read this text, and if you find a word that has the hard C, you're going to circle it. If you find a word that has the soft C, like in certain, you're going to underline it. There's lots of C words in here, so good luck.